Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn circles together, step by step. This chapter is about tangents, lines that just touch a circle at one point. We'll see how a tangent relates to the radius, and the neat fact about two tangents drawn from the same outside point. A tangent touches a circle at exactly one point, called the point of contact. Compare that with a secant, which cuts the circle at 2 points. The central theorem. At the point of contact, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. That right angle is the key to almost every tangent problem. A point P is 13 centimeters from the center of a circle of radius 5. Because the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, triangle OTP is right-angled. So PT squared is 169 minus 25, giving PT equals 12 centimeters. From a point outside the circle, you can draw exactly two tangents, and a lovely result is that these two tangents are always equal in length. To recap, a tangent meets a circle at one point. It is perpendicular to the radius there. The two tangents from an external point are equal, and that right angle with Pythagoras solves most problems. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.